Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check out yet another very important concept, which is abstract class. Now abstract class and interfaces goes hand in hand. Both of these concepts provide abstraction. Now when it comes to interfaces provides complete abstraction. First of all, let me show you what exactly abstraction means. For example, if we check this interface, in here we only have the declaration part and there is no implementation, right? So we are simply telling what to do and there is nothing which will show you how to do things. And whenever we implement this interface in a class, how to do thing needs to be handled in your class, right? So let me summarize this once again. In interface, we simply have declaration. There is no implementation. The implementation part would be done in the class where we will implement the interface. So this is a complete abstraction. Abstraction means where we simply show the declaration and the implementation part is done somewhere else. Now when it comes to abstract class, things differ a little. In an abstract class, we can have implementation and abstract method as well. Let me show you a demonstration of abstract class. Alright, so let's add in a first class in our program. This would be the usual hello class inside our package org.studyeasy. And moving forward, this class will also contain the main method. Alright, so there is no rocket science in here. Now moving forward, we would be adding a new abstract class. So we will be adding a new class. The name of the class would be like a person. This would be abstract. So we will check mark this abstract checkbox and this would be inside the package org.studyeasy.person and we will click on finish. Alright, so inside this person class, you can notice that we are making use of this keyword abstract. So if we prefix the class with this particular keyword abstract, then the class will be considered as a abstract class. And inside this abstract class, we can have implementation, properties, variables, and moreover, we can also have the abstract methods. Alright, so inside this class, let us quickly add in a method. The return type would be void. The name of the method could be like speak maybe. And we will display a message. This would be a very simple message like share his or her thoughts. Cool enough. Now moving forward, we would be adding a yet another method. Now this method needs to be an abstract method. Why? Because the name of the method would be eat. Let me show you why. First of all, let us give the access specifier as void. This would be an abstract method, so we need to make use of the keyword abstract. Then the name of the method would be eat. Now this method will specify the eating habit of a person. Now the eating habit could be, for example, the person could be vegan, the person could be non-vegan, the person might consume alcohol, or there could be like many things, right? So we don't know the eating habits of the person, so we will make this method as abstract, and the class which will inherit this class person needs to implement this particular method. Now friends, if there is a doubt in your mind that when to use what, when to make use of interfaces and when to make use of abstract class, then the answer lies between the relationship. What is the relationship between inherited classes? The relationship is a relationship. For example, a vegan is a person, a non-vegan is a person. So whenever the relationship between the classes is a relationship, then make use of abstract class if there is a requirement. Else, you can make use of interfaces. The relationship between an interface and the class is can relationship. For example, in here, we might make use of a method, for example, like sing. So a person can sing, or there might be a person who can't sing, right? So singing is a action, and those type of functionality which symbolizes a action needs to be declared in an interface. So I guess the answer is clear to you. If there is a relationship, make use of a abstract class. If there is a can relationship, use a interface. Moreover, if there is a requirement of implementing multiple inheritance in your program, in those cases you have to implement it via interfaces, as multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Alright, so a lot of talking, let's proceed further and add in a new class. So I will highlight this package, right click, navigate to new and then click on class, and we will create a new class by the name of vegan. So a vegan is a class and we will extend it via person. Alright, so we are talking about a vegan person. As soon as I extend it, vegan class will start giving us an error, and the error is the type vegan must implement the inherited abstract method person.eat. So let us add and override the required method. So this is cool, and let us print a very simple message, and the message would be like eats vegan food. This is cool. Now let's add a yet another class. The name of the class could be like non-vegan, and we will click on finish, and we will extend it using the parent class person. Alright, and let us implement the non-implemented method eat, and in here we will again display a message, and the message would be again very simple, eats non-vegan food. Alright, so pretty cool. Alright, so let me show you. In our main method we will type in like person. The name of the person could be like John equals new vegan. Alright, and now we will give some information on John. Let me also add in the required package. Alright, so I will now type in John dot. First of all, let us call in the speak method, and then we can also type in John dot eat, and that's it. Let me show you the output, and here is the output. Let us also create a yet another object. First of all, let me add in a separator. This is cool, and we would be creating a yet another person object. The name of the person could be like Mia maybe, and it would be like new non-vegan, and we can say Mia dot speak and Mia dot eat, and this will again give us a proper output, right? So John is a vegan person, whereas Mia is a non-vegan person. Pretty cool. So this is how we can make use of what we say abstract classes, and abstraction is pretty simple in fact. Alright, so in our next video we will check out some more interesting stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.